We're here with Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission making some delicious Halloween recipes. It smells so good over here right now. We're making rattling ribs this morning for Halloween. And oh my goodness, Charlene, not only are they tasty, they're very simple to make too.
Oh, they are. This is going to be one of your favorite recipes because it's now one of my favorite recipes. I love it. It is so easy to make. I bought this in the store, and this is like our spare ribs here, and then took a knife and cut each bone so we have separate little riblets, and so then we'll have like this, and you'll have about 12 of those. So I'm figuring this will serve maybe 6 people if they want 2 ribs each. We'll see. And what we're going to do now is put our seasonings in a bag and make it easy for cleanup. This is 2 tablespoons of paprika, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy flour, which helps those seasonings stay on those ribs. And then we have a teaspoon of smoked paprika and a teaspoon of garlic salt. So doesn't that smell good? This recipe is a dry rub, and we're going to just mix this together now. So we have that. And then to keep easy cleanup, we're going to take those ribs, and I like to do them about 3 at a time, and put those in there, and you can just kind of coat them. There you go. Great. Perfect.
Yum.
Yep. And then what we would do is then put those right inside our slow cooker there.
Okay, right over there. Very simple.
And so we would do that with all the ribs, just lay them in there. And this makes like a dry, I'll go ahead and add that in there, but makes it like a dry rub on your, there's no liquid in there. We'll just put the lid on there. And if you want to do it in 8 hours, you can put it on a low setting. If you want to do it in 6 hours, then put it on a high setting.
Nice.
And then that's all there is to it. So easy to do. Yeah, perfect. See, look, you got it down pat. And then after you do all the ribs, if there's any left in here, I just put it on the top. So that you use all the seasoning.
Get all that flavor and seasoning in there. There we go.
Yeah. So then after they come out, we have our plate of ribs here. We have our 2 sauces that we made early. And you made the sizzling peach barbecue sauce with the jalapeno.
I did. It was so delicious smelling. Yum.
And then this is our honey mustard, so it's ready to go with them. Easy, easy recipe, and I just guarantee everybody's going to love this recipe. It's so easy to make.
Perfect for Halloween, even perfect for things like tailgating if you're having a little Halloween bash or for a football party. Very delicious, right? And how can they find more information on these recipes?
They can find these, all 3 of these recipes at kansassoybeans.org.
All right, thanks so much, Charlene. We'll be right back.